In continuing coverage, we have a follow-up tonight after Fresno County District Attorney Lisa Smitkamp blamed Governor Gavin Newsom and his $0 bail program for an uptick in deadly crime. CBS 47's Medeiros Babb joins us live at the jail in Medeiros. This comes as crime continues to rise in the city.
There were 3 shootings last night, just a couple hours after local, state, and federal officials talked about that enough is enough and the violence needs to stop. And while the main point of that conversation was zero bail, I talked with the sheriff today who said the empty beds at the jail are mostly driven by COVID-19.
Stop using COVID-19 to promote your political agenda. The blood of the children being shot by out-of-control gang members in our city is on your hands and on the hands of every person who does not make public safety a priority.
Fresno District Attorney Lisa Smitkamp with a clear message for California Governor Gavin Newsom. Open up the state prisons. She claims gang members are taking advantage of the current climate and policies.
There is a mentality out there because of the $0 bail, because of the overcrowding issues, that it's a free-for-all. And you know, like I said earlier, criminals watch the news and they know exactly what's going on in the street.
In April, the state put $0 bail in place to lower the jail populations, which are at risk for COVID-19 outbreaks. Sheriff Margaret Mims says from the start of zero bail to when it ended June 20th, over 1,500 inmates went home.
So many inmates that were in custody for certain offenses, in fact it was most offenses, were released from the Fresno County Jail.
The Fresno Superior Court created its own $0 bail with a few changes. Certain gun charges and repeat offenders no longer qualify. But inmates continue to be released because of pods taken up by positive COVID-19 patients. According to the Sheriff's Office, before the pandemic, normally 3,000 beds filled. Currently, there are only around 2,300. Mims says 7 inmates are positive for COVID-19 and in a pod where there are 32 beds. She says keeping extra beds available comes down to a matter of safety and accountability.
Believe me, there is nobody in Fresno County that wants to hold as many inmates as we legally can than me. I want to make sure that we hold people accountable. But I don't want to allow people to come into a jail or put people inappropriately in a pod where they might get sick. I can be held personally responsible.
Another problem is that the inmates are not required to test for COVID-19, wear masks, or socially distance if they don't want to. It's only voluntary, not mandatory. And I am told again that there are around 7 COVID patients right here. We will be talking to you later about this issue. But for now, reporting live from downtown, Medeiros Babb, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.